upbeat intro music plays. Welcome back to the channel where we help you navigate the wild jungle of tech products. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. We're comparing the Thermaltake Smart 500W PSU against the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 600W. By the end of this video, you'll be more electrified than a cat at a laser show. Let's get into it. First up, we've got the price. The Smart 500W is sitting pretty at $44, making it a great budget-friendly option. Amazon reviewers have praised it for being exceptional in terms of performance and affordability, especially for budget builds. Meanwhile, the Toughpower GX2 is priced at $69. While some users find it a bit pricey, they appreciate the value it brings with its gold efficiency rating. If you're on a budget, the Smart 500W is your go-to, but for those willing to splurge, Toughpower's got you covered. Next, let's talk efficiency. The Smart 500W boasts an 80 PLUS certification, with users reporting it provides reliable power during heavy gaming sessions. On the other hand, the Toughpower GX2 features an 80 PLUS Gold certification, hitting up to 90% efficiency. Reviewers have noted that the Toughpower not only saves on electric bills, but also impresses with its consistent performance. So if you want to save on energy costs, Toughpower is the way to go. Now let's dive into the connectors. The Smart 500W comes with two PCI-E 6+2 pin connectors, which is adequate for basic setups. Reviewers have mentioned it's perfect for budget builds, but may not suit high-end systems. The Toughpower GX2, however, has an array of connectors, including 124-pin, 1 ATX 12 volts, 6 SATA, and 2 PCI-E connectors. Users love this versatility, making it ideal for more demanding gaming rigs. If you're planning to run a high-end build, Toughpower's got you covered. Let's talk noise levels. The Smart 500W operates quietly, with users describing it as a reliable workhorse during gaming. Reviewers appreciate its low noise during operation. In contrast, the Toughpower GX2 features an ultra-quiet 120mm fan, making it nearly silent during high-performance tasks. Gamers have praised it for maintaining a low-noise profile, allowing them to focus on gameplay without distractions. If silence is golden for you, Toughpower is your best bet. Lastly, let's discuss build quality. The Smart 500W is noted for its high-quality components and a solid 5-year warranty, making it a sturdy choice for budget builds. Reviewers have highlighted its reliability, despite being an entry-level PSU. The Toughpower GX2, however, stands out with high-quality capacitors and low ripple noise. Users have commented on its premium feel and performance, making it a luxury option for gamers. If you want reliability and peace of mind, Toughpower's got the upper hand here. In summary, the Thermaltake Smart 500W is a budget-friendly power supply that delivers good performance for its price, while the Toughpower GX2 600W offers superior efficiency and versatility for those looking for higher performance. So there you have it. The Thermaltake Smart 500W is perfect for everyday use on a budget, while the Toughpower GX2 is ideal for those who want top-notch efficiency and connectivity. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more comparisons, and ring that bell so you won't miss our next electrifying showdown. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart, stay powered, and buy smart.